A very good afternoon to 100% here. So today we are going to discuss about serial communication, the backbone of data transfer. I hope you people very familiar about serial communication. Without serial communication, most of the data transfer techniques which it is not enabled. Okay, let me go to the topic for slide. So what is serial communication? Serial communication is a fundamental method of data exchange where information is transmitted one bit at a time over a single channel. This sequential approach minimizes wiring complexity, making it highly efficient for connecting devices, especially over long distance or in resource constrained embedded systems. It's the silent workhorse behind countless technologies. So here the serial communication states that how the data will be exchanged, how the informations will be transmitted from in a particular mentioned beyond time through over a single channel. So this thing is very important. So for this sequential process, it will minimizing the wiring complexities, and it will especially transmitted over long distance communication with the resource constrained embedded systems. So it's a silent workhorse behind countless technologies. Is very simple. It's the backbone of the data transfer. Communication is going to progress with their channels, serial communication channels. So if we focused on the channel, it can be comes under frame structures. So frame structures is very important. In that the data will be transferred through your DTE based and DC based. DT is called as a terminal equipment, data terminal equipment. DC is a data clock equipment. According to this condition, the serial communication synchronizes and the clock pulses. There is no mismatch in the clock pulse. The data will be transferred up to very high speed. The data loss will not occur. So these are all some basic operation and data transfer techniques which are comes under this serial communication category. So this thing is called as sequential data flow. Bit sent one after another. Then next one is reduced complexity, fewer wires needed for connection. Then versatile reach, idea for long range exchange users. So these are all the three things which should be progressed in serial communication: sequential data flow, reduced complexity, and versatile reach. The next thing is serial with parallel communication. So here, what is parallel communication? What is serial communication? I hope you already know that what is serial communication. I will explain now. So here, parallel communication, we focused on parallel communication. Imagine a multi-lane highway where many cars, is example for bits, travel side by side simultaneously. It's faster for short bursts but requires more lanes is called wires, increasing cost and complexity, and is prone to signal degradation over distance. So multiple bits sends at once, faster but more costly. Shorter range communication, parallel communication can be used. But in serial communication, think of a single lane road where cars travel one after another. Though seemingly slower, its simplicity of fewer wires make it robust for long distance and more economical, compensating for speed with reliability and cost effectiveness. So here we see this scenic image. It is given here for serial and parallel combinations. So in serial communication, it should be follow a protocol to speed up their process, but in parallel communication it is only used for short distance communication. So here some drawbacks will occur, but same as it is cost wise when comparing to serial communication, parallel communication cost is very high, but it is used for short range communications. In serial communication it's not like that. It is used for long range communication. When comparing to cost is also very low comparing to parallel. Next we move to next slide. So types of serial communications. We already know that we are familiar about the types of serial communication: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. So serial communication modes dictates the direction and simultaneity of data flow, impacting how device interact. So from this simplex method, half duplex method, and full duplex method. So simplex method, data flows in a single direction. So it is called as simplex method. Example, radio broadcasting, keyboard sending input to the computer. So these are all the examples of simplex method. So half duplex method, it's a two-way street but only one direction at a time. Devices can both send and receive but not simultaneously. Example, walkie-talkie, one person speaks then the other, over and out. Then third one is full duplex communication, a true two-way highway communication. Data can be sent and received simultaneously. This is the mode we are most familiar with in modern communications like television conversations or uh, allowing for seamless interactions. So these are the three types of serial communication. I hope you understand this topic very well. So upcoming lecture session, I will explain the next key content topics of serial and parallel communication. Thanks for patience and listening. Thank you to all. A very good afternoon to 100% here.